was the second run of Bosa.
He got down there and went.
He's proved his time, according to us, by 2/100ths of a second.
Talk about him right here. He should be real fluid at this.
Run! Spot! Come to me! Come to me! Get up!
There's Bosa. Joey Bosa going through this drill. One more commercial break.
Here we go. Shuffle, man. Here we go. Eyes up. That's it. That's it. Come on. That's it, Joey. That's it. Clear it back. Go, man.
Point stance. The first move is the club right there, right?
Get up, get up, get up, get up.
Bosa. Tell people what you're looking for.
Come on. There you go. Come on now. There you go. One more. Get it. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Get it. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. 24.
With the third pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the San Diego Chargers select Joey Bosa, defensive end, Ohio State.
There you go. The first pick of the night that we did not know essentially coming into the draft.
Everywhere, devils in the eyes, babies always cry, Papa never home, fuck it, we all alone, trying to get rich, yeah, that car can ride, grab me the beaker, how measure the wide, heat up the water, drop it in pot, baking soda and ice cream, make it rock, get you a saucer, the razor, go chop, get you a Glock and invest in the block, set up your shop, tear him the pot, fuck by the cop, jack his ass with a shot, yeah, I got my hustle, dog, I get my hustle off. Let it take control. Oxycontin fiends keep the foil low. Let the pill burn, inhale, exhale it slow. Let your heart explode, drop you to the floor. I gets the dough, I hustle hard. Ace it ain't got shit on moi. Green beans, 80s for sure. They like what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. No syringes and nothing, just heroin's cause it smoke mufflers out. Yeah, I got my hustle, dog. I gets my hustle off. Oxycontin, heroin, crazy. I got my chopper, dog. Don't make me chop him off. Chop, 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 knock him off. Crazy. I got my hustle, dog. I gets my hustle off. Prostitutes and raps and all. Crazy. I got my chopper, dog. Don't make me chop him off. Knock, 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 knock him off. Only Lord knows, and only time will tell. Will I go to heaven, or will I burn in hell? Music in my mind, vibrating down my spine, travels to my heart. Should've been here from the start. Now I get breath from my audio. Pump your pusher, these bars that I push it. No, I ain't talking to Zanny, bro. Nigga, we on it, be up by the morning. We wreck a new bitch where panties go. Throw out my line, push up for show. Nigga, we eating your eyes to know. Put my big boy in her love below. There she blow. I'm out of control and the hustle keep going. Shit on niggas, excuse all our callings. Balls at the boss, won't do pins like we